How to add friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can add friends on Snapchat, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. There are two ways to add friends on Snapchat. One is via Quick Add and the other is from the username. So first, for the via Quick Add option, we're going to open Snapchat. We're going to just tap on the profile icon or our Bitmoji profile from the top left, and then scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called Add Friends. Now when you go to Add Friends, you'll be able to see a list of the Quick Add people. Now Snapchat showed you this because they think that they have some kind of mutual connections with you. It is just a list of recommendations of friends from Snapchat itself, because they think that you know them. Either they are in your contact list, or maybe they are inside of your, let's say, friends list, or maybe someone who's friends with them is also friends with you. So you just want to keep in mind, because Snapchat is only going to suggest you contacts that believe you have some kind of mutual contact with them. If you want to add them as a friend, just tap on the add button right next to it. The other is, if you want to go ahead and search for them, you have to do it via the username, right? So at the very top you can see the search box over there. Once you tap on the search box, you should be able to go ahead and search for the username. And once you search for the username, if the username matches a specific person over here, you'll be able to go ahead and simply add them to your friends list over here. So if you go ahead and find them, just tap on the add button right next to it, and then you should be able to add them as a friend. And that's all it takes to find Snapchat and then add Snapchat friends. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.